Hello friends, now according to this expression, we use Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve brackets. B stands for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents also. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this expression, by using the Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now, the first step says solve the innermost parentheses. The first 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. According to this step, the Bodmas rule dictates that we must clear the innermost round brackets before handling anything outside them. So now the current expression becomes 72 divided curly braces 3 multiplied by 6 curly braces of 5 cube multiplied by 2 minus 10. Now move to the second step, solve the curly braces. There is a curly braces 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. According to this step, after clearing the round brackets, we move outward to the curly braces to simplify the term inside the main square bracket. So now the current expression becomes 72 divided by 18 and then plus 5 cube multiplied by 2 minus 10. Now move to the third step, solve the square bracket. So according to this square bracket, 72 divided by 18. So now the answer is 4. And according to this step 3, we must completely resolve the outermost square brackets to simplify the first major components of our equation. So now the current expression becomes 4 plus 5 cube multiplied by 2 minus 10. Now move to the fourth step, solve the exponents. There is a 5 cube inside the remaining parentheses. Now 5 cube equals to 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 125. And now according to this step, we look at the next parenthesis, which is 5 cube multiplied by 2. Inside it, orders take the priority over multiplication. So now the current expression becomes 4 plus 125 multiplied by 2 minus 10. So now move to the fifth step, complete the parenthesis, which is 125 multiplied by 2 equals to 250. Now according to this step, we multiply the numbers to completely eliminate the final pair of parentheses. So now the current expression becomes 4 plus 250 minus 10. Now move to the sixth step. Sixth step says perform addition. Now within the all brackets gone, so we follow the left to right operations. Addition come first. So now 4 plus 250 equals to 254. And according the expression becomes 254 minus 10, and the next seventh step performs subtraction. This is the final remaining mathematical operation. So 254 minus 10 equals to 244, and this is the final result. According to this expression, by using the Bodmas sequence, by systematically breaking down the brackets from inside out to following strictly operation hierarchy, exponent, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction, the final evaluated answer is 244. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.